Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic called as lattice energy. Yeah, the new topic name is lattice energy. Its definition is the energy released when an ionic compound is formed from the individual atoms in the gaseous state. It means that when two atoms combine, when two ions combine, then a ionic compound is formed, so that in this formation the energy released is called as lattice energy. That means, I will explain again, when two ions in the gaseous state combine, they give a compound. So while forming the compound, some amount of energy is released. That amount of energy is called as lattice energy. Okay, let me give you an example about that. Yeah, let's take as an ion. Let's take an ion. Na plus and Cl minus are two different ions in the gaseous state. When they combine, they give a compound called as NaCl. NaCl, which is in the solid state. S means solid. S means solid state. They give a compound in the solid state. Yeah, guys, they give a compound in the solid state. So when Na plus and Cl minus combine, they give a compound in the solid state. So while giving a compound, some amount of energy is released. So that energy is called as lattice energy, or we can define that energy as the lattice energy. And there's also another method of defining a lattice energy. Wait, guys, lattice energy is denoted as, yeah, sorry, my partner kept like hand. Yeah, so while combining the atoms, some amount of energy is released. That energy is called as lattice energy. Lattice energy, the change in the energy. Okay, we can also define lattice energy as here. It's called as change in energy. That is denoted by delta H. It is denoted by delta H. Denoted. Lattice energy is also called as change in energy. Change in energy is denoted by delta H, and lattice energy is denoted as Le. Lattice energy is denoted as Le. So delta H, that is Le, is equals to delta H. We can say that Le is equals to delta H. Yeah, L is equals to delta H. Delta H is its negative, because listen, the value is negative. Lattice energy is negative. You know why lattice energy is negative? Lattice energy is negative because the energy is released. So some amount of energy is given out. Energy is given out. When the energy is given out, it is denoted by like negative, and the reactions are exothermic, as same as at this point only. Energy released, the energy is released, the energy is released, so that it is called as exothermic. Energy is released, so it is called as exothermic reactions. Okay, understand? And next there was the second definition. Second definition, that is energy required to completely separate a mole of solid atoms in the gaseous state. Like, let's take the before example that we took. Like, I'll say you, yeah, like NaCl. Let's take the before example NaCl as we took. This NaCl is in the solid state now. To completely separate into two atoms, to separate this solid state atom into two atoms, Na plus and Cl minus. Now we separated this solid state atom into two ions, again back into Na plus and Cl minus. While separating also, some amount of energy is released. While separating also, some amount of energy released, means change in energy again. change in energy, even though after in the separating process change of energy occurs. So we call this as also lattice energy. We call this as also lattice energy. But in this case energy is required. Energy is required. Okay, we need energy. We need energy. Energy is required. And I'm sorry, required explanation. So in this case energy is required. I mean sorry, energy required spelling is wrong. Energy is required to separate the atoms. To separate the NaCl, we need some energy. So energy required to separate these two atoms is also called as lattice energy. I mean sorry, the energy is also called as lattice energy. Okay, and now these reactions we can represent this as delta H is equals to, mean change in energy is is equals to, yeah, lattice energy. But lattice energy is positive here. Guess why, good children, why it is positive in this case? Why is energy positive in this case? Because look here, energy is required. We need energy. Energy is required. This reaction is endothermic because we are taking energy. We are taking in energy. We are not releasing out energy. So that we are taking in energy. So we can call this as endothermic reaction. And here in this case, like in this case energy is released out, like see, energy released. So in this case energy is released, so it is exothermic. In this case energy is taken, so it is endothermic. Did you understand? Yeah. So we can call these two cases as these two cases. In these two cases we can call this both also lattice energy. It is denoted by Le. I'll explain you in the next video how to calculate lattice energy. Okay, bye guys.